Welcome to Flickster's next review. Hope you all are doing good. I am Kuldeep Yadav, and if you landed here for a genuine in-depth Flickster's next review, then you are in the right space. Here you will get the details of Flickster's next features, its working process, pricing details with a bundle of must-have bonuses from my side. And this is the sales page, or you can say the product page of Flickster's Next. Here you will get all the information about the Flickster's Next. But first, let's talk about what is Flickster's Next. Flickster's Next is an all-in-one video streaming, podcasting, and blogging platform. Flickster's Next is a platform inspired by the growth of video streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV, and podcast service like Spotify, SoundCloud, and many more. This platform will turn likes on your videos, postcards, or blogs into email list and cash with your own or other people videos. So first talk about the bonuses that you are getting with Flickster's Next only during this launch event. So the first bonus is Flickster's Cloud Ultimate Video Hosting, which cost $1,497. Flickster's Cloud videos can easily be imported into Flickster's Next using Flickster's Cloud. You will be able to host unlimited videos without extra expenses. The second is Flix Email, which cost $997. Flix Emails allows you to embed your latest videos on Flicksters in your emails. The third one is Banner Ads, which cost $997. With banner ads, you can easily create animated videos, thumbnails that you can add to your videos on Flicksters to make your channel even more dynamic. And some of the special bonuses are: first is access to their exclusive VIP Facebook membership. The second one is an extra domain added to your Flicksters account. Third one is 90 minutes of professional Flicksters video streaming training. And some of the special bonuses that you are getting from my side are: first one is Thrive Architect Builder. Second one is DV Builder and DV Themes. Third one is Traffic Generating Resources. Make traffic generation fast and easy with this bonus. This will include training and strategies that will propel your business to a next level. Fourth one is Content Marketing Strategies, which will help you to take your content marketing to next level. Fifth one is Find Your Niche, a step-by-step guide to finding your niche. The sixth one is 8,000 plus Facebook business groups. Seventh one is AI Logo Creator Software, which is a free online logo maker which generates logos instantly. Eighth one is WP Viral Click Plugin, a plug and play WordPress plugin which unleashes an unstoppable tsunami of visitors straight to your blog and website. Ninth one is Email List Building Strategies. 10th is List Building Excellence, a complete bundle of cheat sheet, mind map, and free marketing tools. 11th is Sales Domination Guide and Cheat Sheet, which will help you to know how to write a compelling sales page that converts. 12th one is Video Marketing Hack, which will help you to know how to maximize one of the most effective tools on the internet. 13th is 150 plus online marketing tool to take your business to the next level. 14th is Profit Maximizer, which is a fast and easy ways to maximize your income with PLR. 15th is Find Your Niche, step-by-step guide to finding your niche. 16th is Instagram Marketing 2.0, latest Instagram marketing techniques to boost your profit. 17th is Authority Building. These are proven strategies to boosting subscription rates and maximizing your niche. 18th is 5 advanced video editing techniques. 19th is e-commerce golden step. And all of this bundle cost more than $25k, and you are getting all of these for free from my side, and only if you buy from the link which is provided in the description below. So buy from the link which is provided in the description if you want all these bonuses for free. Now let's talk about some of the main features of Flixsters Next, which is previously known as Flixsters Pro. The first one which I'm gonna talk about is you can get the new subscribers and get ranked using the integrated blog post. This includes the podcast hosting for best listening experience from any device and anywhere. It helps you to grow your followers solely by letting them in on your streaming platform. You can use your affiliate link on other people's videos. It is a platform that navigates like YouTube and with a viewing experience like Netflix. Your own video distribution platform for your followers' entertainment. It have a built-in integration with comments like likes and dislikes. You can build your list with each comment on your video and much more. Now let's talk about the pricing of Flixsters Next. The pricings are, you can get Flixsters Next for videos, podcasts and blogs at only $67. It's a low one-time fee, and you also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. There is no risk in buying this Flixsters Next. You can go with it, and you are also getting a coupon code which is NEXT Next, and you can get $8 off if you use this code. So if you use this code, you are getting Flixsters Next in $59 only. So now let's move on to the dashboard of Flixsters Next. You can see this is a dashboard of Flixsters Next, and one of our channel is already embedded on it. You can see how this looks. This looks pretty good. And if we talk about the main dashboard or the admin panel, we can go to it. You can see this is a very clear and simple dashboard. You can see the total video count, total video views, total users and total subscription here. You can also see the bar graph of user statistics and video statistics here. If we talk about this dashboard, then on the left side you have home icon. Then below this you have setting. You can see general settings, payment setting, white label settings and site setting here. If we go to the users, you can see manage users. If we click on that, you can see the persons who are the users, or you can manage them from here. You can also manage your subscribers from here. If you go back to the admin panel, you can see there is an icon called videos. You can manage your videos, or if you want to import a video, you can click on import videos, import from YouTube. Then if you go to the panel, you can see that first we have to write a keyword. We can import our own videos, or we can import a videos by using keyword. If I enter a keyword car and there is a search, I can click on public search. If you want to import from your own channel, you can click import from channel. You can see the limit, and here is a category. The categories are music, film and animation, pets and animals, sports, travel and events, and I'm gonna select travel. You can select manually import or auto import, and after that you can import as user. And if I click search, the processing happening, and we can see the videos related to car. You can click on the video and it gonna import, and I'm not gonna do anything here. If we go to the article section, you can manage articles, or if you want to add a new article, just click on a new, enter the title. I'm entering a title, Design Beast. Now enter the description, and now we need to add content, so I am going to my review of Design Beast, which is also an amazing software. So from here I gonna copy this and going to paste it in my panel. The panel is here. Now paste, and after that you can select the image for it, then category, and you can also select text, and then just click publish if you want to publish. I'm not gonna publish it, so back to the dashboard. Then here is podcast. You can manage a podcast. The special feature of Flixster Snacks is you can add an intro video. So if you want to set an intro video, you can click here, but the main thing is the video that you want to set need to be already here in this Flixster Next. It need to be uploaded previously to Flixster Next. Then you can set autoresponder to your video using MailChimp or any other autoresponder. You can manage comments from here. You can manage advertisement, categories and pages from this single dashboard, which is impossible previously, but now it's possible because of Flixster Next. Now we are moving back to the Flixster Next. You can see we can check history from here, our blog post that are already uploaded, our podcast that we have previously uploaded. If you want to upload new video, we can click here. If you want to see trending videos, there it is. If you want to see viewed videos, then click here. And if you want a channel view, then you can go here. And these are all the categories. And one of the amazing thing that I like most is if we click here on the icon, then we can see we are two modes for this Flixster Snacks. One is dark mode and another one is this white mode. You can see this platform is looking pretty amazing. You can also change your name and image from here. Username, like I am writing Kuldeep. The email ID, we can choose the country and my sex and my age, like I am selecting 24. You can also change user profile, cover picture and password and so on. We are going back to the home. If you want to upload a video, you can also directly upload it from here. You can local upload or you can also cloud upload directly. If you want to upload a new video locally, then you need to click here. Just go to the video, search it and then click enter and give it a title. Like I am giving this a title of Design Beast. Now give it a description, select a category, age filter, price, or you can leave it empty and then just click publish. You can also upload video from another channel. If you want to do so, I'm gonna give you an example. Like this is a video from a channel of Intellectual Indeed. I'm gonna copy the link and just go to the dashboard, paste it, then click fetch video, and it's all. You are done. Now there are some basic steps like selecting a category, selecting a privacy, age filters and text. And after doing that, you need to just click to the publish and it's all done. So if you are also looking to buy a single dashboard or to purchase a single dashboard that gonna help you in your YouTube journey or your blog journey or podcast journey, then this is best for you. This is an all-in-one, all-rounder dashboard or all-rounder software, Flixsters Next, which is only for you if you are also looking to create your identity on YouTube or any other social media platform using blogs, podcasts, videos. So this is for you. If you want to buy this, then you only need to spend $67 and you are also getting $8 off if you purchase it during the launch period. You're gonna get it in only $59, and it's a one-time fee. If we talk about Flixsters Next OTO or upgrades, then let me show you them. The first one is Flixsters Ultimate and the second one is Flixsters Pay, and these are the features which you are getting with Flixsters Ultimate, and with Flixsters Pay you are getting these. And I am also gonna give you a discount code for its OTO and upgrades in the description. If you want to buy them, you can use that code during the launch period and get the benefits. So that's all. Hope you know all about Flixsters Next. Hope you like this Flixsters Next review and demo. Stay blessed.